In this video, I will show you how to make static lowers for your videos inside of Adobe Photoshop. This is tutorial Thursday, and without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. So here in Adobe Photoshop, we can create a new document and set the name to lower third, set the width to 1920 and the height 2080 pixels. Now it's important for the resolution to be 72 instead of something like 150 or even 300. Let's set the background color to something other than white, preferably something gray. Now let's hit create and let's create a new layer here. Now let's set the color to white, and using the rectangle tool, I'm gonna just lay out a rectangle something like this. Now I'm gonna press Ctrl T to open up the transform panel and just rotate this a bit. Now I'm gonna create a new layer and set the color to, now in this case I'm making this lower third for YouTube subscribe, so I'm gonna set the color to a nice red. Let's just lay out a bigger rectangle. Let's just move this below the white rectangle. Let's just press Ctrl T and just reposition this. So once we are happy with our positioning, I'm going to create a new layer, set the color to black using the text tool and the font set to Babies. I'm going to just write remember to, let's just press Ctrl T, rotate this, and let's just make it a bit bigger. Now I can create another layer and set the color to this time white, and right here subscribe. Let's just make it nice and big, and believe me, this is everything. You don't need just fancy lower thirds like those glossy effects and everything. This can be all. Now we can hide the background. Let's go to File, Export, Quick Export as a PNG.